Hey guys, so where are you? My name is Shameen Miller, and this is the Cuisinart TOA 70 8-in-1 air fryer / everything else. And we're going to do a close-up look on the inside of this because this is the second one I bought because I ruined my first one. So I'm excited to show you why I love this thing so much. So here we're going to start over here. So this is the power button over here. We've got the timer here, goes from 10 to 60 minutes. We've got the temperature all the way from warm, and this does do a 450 toast and a broil. These are the functions which make it 8-in-1, so you can read all the way over there what this does. And this over here, this is for the toaster. So I'm going to just turn this on here so you can see what it sounds like. Currently, I have it set at bake, which is why it turns on. Here, the power button is on, and as you can see on the inside here, it is dark, but I can turn the light on, and we have a light down there at the back. When you open it up, the light goes off and the toaster oven actually turns off as like a safety feature, which is really important. So let's turn this off right now. And this is that's the sound that it makes when it is done. Over here, this is the toaster option. Let's go on the inside here. So as we can see here, it is a nice metal all the way around. This is glass over here. So we've got this piece here, don't know what it is, but this comes in and out and you can put toast on here, whatever you need to be able to cook directly onto here. This is the air fryer piece here as well. So one thing I love about this, okay, so you've got the air fryer basket here, okay, and it's got the little feet on the bottom. And then, as you can see, this air fryer sits on a cookie sheet, right? So this cookie sheet you can use normally for whatever you like. But I love this because you can put the air fryer on top of that, and then it's easy to put in and out of here, and so you don't make a mess when it comes out when you put it onto the counter. On the inside here, they've got the heating elements down here, and they're covered with metal. And then they've also got the heating elements at the top. They're also covered with metal, and you've got the fan up there. You've got two places where you can have two different levels on the inside here. And this also here does come with a grill. So overall, this is really awesome air fryer. Please make sure that you wipe this out every time that you use it, because if you don't, it will become a disaster really, really quickly. So this is the Cuisinart TOA 70. I use it for everything: baking, air frying, toasting, and I love making steak from frozen on the inside of this. I love doing pizza. It is amazing. So there we have it.